What's up YouTube, it's your boy Joey Max back with another banger, and in this video I'm going to be giving you guys an update on my 2003 Nissan Maxima that I'm going to be putting a K-Series in. Well, the K-Series is in it. I've had this car down for about 2 years. As you guys can see, this is the clip where I blew the car up. It used to be a turbo VQ. Here it is. And as you guys saw there, that was the last pull. That car felt great, but I did spin a rod bearing. Throw that clip here. And yeah, so it was very unfortunate for me, but that car, I wanted to drive and make videos with that car. That's the car that got me into YouTube. But unfortunately, things went wrong, and I decided to go a different route. I went through 2 motors and 1 transmission in the span of 500 miles. So for me, it was just very unfortunate. It was a lot of money over and over. So I was like, man, let's do something different. Let's build a car that's different. And you don't see these cars built at all, really, and no one's really making content with them. There's very few selected handful of people. And so yeah, so here is my 2003 Nissan Maxima. As you guys can see here, we have a K24A2. I have all the custom mounts made. All this wiring is going to be getting pulled out of it. We're going to be painting the bay. Everything's going to get done. Going to be starting this car in about 3 months. Give me a good 3 months and you guys are going to be seeing steady progress on it. It's going to be a big single turbo. I'll show you the other motor. This was just to mock up and make the mounts. Got the lips for it, got the grill, ordering the hood and everything like that. Here's what the car used to look like before. It has been sitting for 2 years, like I said. So it's a car, this car has been down for a good amount of time, but you know, I want it to be different. So here's my motor that I had for. This one has a VCT gear, has a Type S oil pump. This is going to be the motor going in the car, and that's a turbo manifold with that's a spare turbo that I just had for it. But yeah, a lot of people have been following me because of that car. If you're new to this channel, I have an LS Swap 240 that's going to be getting painted and the wheels done on it too. I have an HR Swap G35 with 350Z interior. I build a lot of cool and different things. So, but the Maxima is a car that, you know, I'm very excited for. That's the car that got me into this YouTube stuff. It's got me into all this car stuff. So if you guys have any questions for it, feel free to, you know, shoot me a DM, but it's going to be going into full effect soon. I'm standing on that. I've been pushing it off and pushing it off and pushing it off, but now I'm very set. I have my house now. I have the garage. I have the place to build the car. And yeah, so we're going to be going from there with the car. Going to be trying to start around January. That's kind of the key. That's when this thing will be painted and everything will be done on this car. And we're going to be full sending that car. So my goal is to have it done by FL2K next year. Maybe try to get it out there, at least get it out there to bring the car, show it, show my work and everything like that. But I have a lot of things planned for that car. Those are my 2 babies right there. So don't forget, shopjoeymax.com. I have a lot of shirts on the website. I have a Maxima shirt if you like Maximas, because not many people make those shirts. Nobody really does. And I have G shirts, tandem shirts, really good amount of things. So like, comment, let me know what you guys want to see. Like I said, hit up my Instagram, hr.maxx. Any questions you guys have, but this is the first K-Swap Maxima in the world. And at the end of the day, this car is going to be the fastest Maxima in the world. That is my goal for it long term. And this car is never going to go anywhere. So like, comment, subscribe. Peace.